I'm Project Design Authority for the autopilot system, part of the Mission and Function Competence Center, and I've been working here in Thales Avionics Toulouse for 8 years now. My role is first to understand the customer's operational need and then to define the architecture of our autopilot, making the important technical choices. And I'm also responsible for making sure that the development is right on track with the customer's needs and also with all the applicable regulations for certification. I started working on the algorithms for flight controllers, which are quite a distinctive feature of autopilots. So I won't get into much details, but it requires specific skills in flight mechanics, in automatics. And now I've gained the big picture of autopilots, which is why I am now able to develop the product line for autopilots, which will be a key driver for the competitiveness of Thales in the future. I'm in contact with the client, and also as the autopilot is in interaction with all the other systems in the cockpit, I'm working on a regular basis with the project design authorities for the other systems, like the flight management system, the cockpit display system, or the flight warning system. I've been lucky to take part in the development of autopilots for our major 3 programs, which are the American civilian helicopter Sikorsky S-76, the French turboprop ATR, and the Russian regional jet Sukhoi SSJ. I get a lot out of my job, and the most important to me is that this operational link I have with the client, with the customer, with the pilots, discussing how we can help them in their missions, and this is really essential and rewarding to me. The main highlight was back in 2013, and during 4 months we were developing with ATR pilots in this very room a new capacity for their aircraft, allowing them to perform approaches in very constrained environments like mountains, where it's not possible to perform the usual straight-in approaches. With the pilots and the simulator, we were designing, refining the solution. There were some hard times, the schedule was very short, but in the end we did it. This function is now certified, it's flying on the aircraft, so it remains quite a good experience. I'm only 30 now, and in 8 years I've been able to see a lot in avionics, so definitely I would do it again right away.